welcome to this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to use our LumiMakr video plugin for After Effects. So whether you've just purchased our solution or you're still exploring the free version, this guide is for you. So together we will discover how to add realistic and dynamic lighting effect to your videos, and of course we will also dive into advanced features like choosing your HDR format, HLG or PQ, as well as tone mapping. Let's get started. So first you will need to install the LumiMakr video plugin. So head over to our official website lumimakr.com in the shop section, just right here. Here you will be able to download either the free trial version of our solution or the paid version of our solution. Once you've downloaded one of these files, you simply gotta follow the installation steps which will appear on your desktop. Now let's move on to After Effects. Once in After Effects, we need to make sure that the plugin is recognized. So we head over to the effect list to find the LumiMakr file just right there. We open it and we can see that LumiMakr Video Light is well implemented in After Effects. You have to know that if necessary, you might need to restart After Effects after the installation of the plugin to make sure that the effect showed up in the effect list just right there. Now that the plugin is installed, let's set it up. So for this tutorial, I will create a simple project with a video that's about 10 seconds long. So first I will import my video clip. So I go just right there, make a double click and import the video of my choice, just like that. Once my video is uploaded, I make a double click just right there, one click over here, so my clip is on my timeline just like this, and you can click just right there to have your full screen video. Now I will add a LumiMakr video to my clip, so I go back to the effect list, find LumiMakr Video Light and make a drag and drop onto my timeline just like that. With the effect applied, all LumiMakr options now appear in the setting panel. Okay, so now our effect is active. In a single pass, LumiMakr has already processed the image with intelligent noise reduction and detail fusion to prepare a clean image. By default, this image is instantly converted to HLG, but now we can customize that. This is where LumiMakr gives you decisive control over your final look. You can choose how your HDR image will be encoded. You can select between two transfer curves, which are HLG, hybrid log gamma, or PQ, which are perceptual quantizer with a simple checkbox. So here's what you need to know. These two formats affect how your video's light is interpreted on screen. HLG is mainly used for TV broadcast or live production, as it offers some compatibility with certain SDR display. It doesn't require metadata, making it suitable for real-time workflows. And PQ is used in the HDR10 format, the standard in most professional HDR content. It ensures accurate reproduction across the majority of modern HDR display. So, in short, choose HLG if you work on live or broadcast content for SDR backward compatibility, or choose PQ for maximum quality, especially if your content targets platform or display that fully support HDR. Finally, let's talk about tone mapping. This feature is ideal for adapting your HDR output to so-called standard display. It preserves details, improves visibility, and can even add a unique artistic touch to your video. So you will have 5 presets available, but if you want to fine-tune the output manually, you will have 3 sliders at your proposal. So the first of them is the strength. This work has a global tone mapping adjustment. It mainly affects midtones, letting you adjust the image's overall dynamic. So you should increase it to give more presence and contrast, or lower it for a softer, more natural look. What you have to know about this slider is that you should always start by setting this parameter first, because it sets the overall mood of your HDR look. So the second one is the tone compression. This one will adjust a local contrast, like the small light variations in texture, folds, fine light shadows area. It balances between strong stylized contrast or more readable image where details stand out even in complex area. So you should increase it for a sharper texture or decrease it for a softer cinematic feel with natural transition. So this one is perfect for scene with a lot of fine detail, like landscape, skin, or textured clothing. Finally, let's talk about the last slider of our tone mapping, the detail contrast. This one is complementary to the previous slider because it redefines the rendering of small detail. It adjusts micro contrast and the very tiny light variations in the image. So you should increase it for a pop effect where detail looks crispier and the image will be more alive, or you should decrease it for a smoother look, which is ideal for close-ups or natural scene. So this slider should be used as the final touch of your tone mapping after setting strain and tone compression. So here's what you need to know about our tone mapping. These three parameters work together. Adjust them in a coherent order: strength, then tone compression, then detail contrast. Think of them as a trio. Each influence the overall look, so take your time to balance them for your project. So now let's go to export to finalize our project. So the only thing you need to know about the export setting is the codec. You have to make sure that your codec is set on H.264. When you are sure that you have the right codec, then you're good. You can export your LumiMakr video project. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned a lot and feel ready to bring HDR technology into your video project. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorial, and leave a comment if you have any question. See you soon.